Is your wife trying to test and trick you? Or does she have a code? Does she long for you to understand her deepest heart?
Think of the 5th anniversary, and he comes home. They've been married 5 years, and he says, I've saved up all this money. I'm going to take you to the restaurant of your choice. Where do you want to go eat? Oh, I don't know. No, it's our 5th anniversary. I want to take you out to dinner. Where do you want to go? I don't know. No. This is your evening. You choose. I don't know. You decide. You want me to decide? No, I want to take you where you want to go. Where do you want to go? You decide. You want me to decide? Hey, I was reading in that Midwest magazine, and they talked about these fillets. They're like 15 feet thick. And they were so juicy, you don't even need a knife. You can just kind of look at it, and it just falls on your fork, and you put it in your mouth, and it melts like butter. And do you know where they're serving those? Do you know that truck stop out on 69? I don't want to go there. Are you the woman I was just talking to? I just asked you where you want to eat. You tell me to decide, so I decide. Now you decide that we're not going to do what I decide. You're always picking a fight. And he stomps off. And he goes into another room, fuming mad, and she stomps off in another room. Two good-willed people on their 5th anniversary are spitting mad. And it flares up in 30 seconds. Boom. And this happens to all of us, not just to you. So what's going on there? What's going on in the pink brain? Gentlemen, here's what's going on in the pink brain. Here's what she's thinking. If he loves me as much as I love him, he'll figure out where it is I want to eat without me having to tell him.
Come to the Love and Respect Marriage Conference and learn to understand the heart of your spouse.